Okay, here's the first house I have for rent. Now, I feel like it's a rather large accommodation. It's mounted on a pole on the fence. It's got some flowers all down for when the fledglings are ready to leave the nest. Good solid wood. It only has one entrance, one exit, quite spacious. If you know any birds, send them our way. Okay, here's house number 2. And now, this is kind of in the shaded area, away from the hustle and bustle of everything. Just hanging on a branch, kind of inconspicuous. You can't see anything. Now, there is that pool back there, but I promised and vowed that I won't fill it very full, so no fledglings can drown. Birdwatcher 1 and Birdwatcher 2 have promised that they would be polite and accepting. There's some food over here. I would also put water if you came. Here. Okay, here's house number 3. So, this is a little bit bigger house. You can fit quite a few, I feel like, in here. Oh, uh-oh, we gotta fix that. We gotta fix that right now. Okay, it's fixed. There's back door exit, but that's really for spying and such. We did have a potential tenant try to move in. I'm thinking about moving it off the deck. We do have a little bit. This is the active area by the deck, by the stairs coming down from the deck. But there's some foliage here, and then behind, see, look at all this foliage. They could come over here and they could hide. I would put some water over there. Maybe that's what I need to do. But again, if you know anybody looking for a bigger house, let me know.